Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about structure of enzymes. As we discussed earlier, enzymes are proteinous in nature. So the enzyme resembles properties of protein. As like protein, enzymes are linear chains of amino acids which later on form 3D structure. They connected by peptide bond to form polypeptide chain and they encoded by DNA as like protein. So what are the components of enzymes? Enzymes is made up of apoenzyme, that is protein part of enzyme, coenzyme or cofactor, that are non-protein part of enzyme. They togetherly form holoenzyme, that means complete enzyme or the active enzymes. Remember, apoenzymes and coenzymes or cofactors are independently inactive. Let us discuss about the coenzyme. Coenzyme is non-protein organic component. Coenzyme is loosely bound to the apoenzyme. Coenzyme act as a donor or acceptor of group of atom in the catalysis reaction. The example of coenzyme is NAD, that is nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, FAD, that is flavin adenine dinucleotide, or FMN, that is flavin mononucleotide. Let us discuss about cofactor. Cofactors are non-protein inorganic component of an enzyme. They may be tightly bound as like copper ion in ascorbic oxidase enzyme or loosely bound. The function of cofactor is they are bridging group to bind enzymes and the substrate. They stabilize conformation of protein during catalysis or enzyme activity process. The example of cofactors are the metal ions like copper ion, zinc ion, potassium ion, cobalt ion, and the magnesium ion. Let us discuss about the prosthetic group. Prosthetic group are the non-protein component of an enzyme. They are firmly attached to the protein. They can't be easily separated or dissociated from an enzyme. They may be organic or inorganic. Due to this property of prosthetic group, they can be either coenzyme or they can be resembled as cofactor. Prosthetic group mainly required for the effective catalysis. For example, biocytin is prosthetic group of enzyme acetyl-CoA carboxylase. Iron and copper are the prosthetic group for enzyme cytochrome oxidase, and the molybdenum and iron are the prosthetic group for enzyme xanthine oxidase. Let us discuss about active sites of enzymes. The small region at which substrate binds to enzyme and participates in catalysis process is known as active site, or the small region of enzyme which have chemical affinity to bind substrate is known as active site. It is also known as catalytic center. The active site is not rigid in structure and shape. It generally possesses substrate binding site and catalytic site. The substrate binding site is a site at which substrate binds to enzyme, and the catalytic site is the site at which enzyme react on substrate for the process of catalysis or enzyme activity. The coenzymes and cofactors of enzymes are present as a part of active sites. They are present in only active sites of enzyme, not on the whole protein. It is made up of amino acids. There are many amino acids present in enzyme protein, but they do not contribute in enzyme action. Only few amino acids involved in catalysis of substrates. The amino acids are of 4 types, that is contact amino acid, catalytic amino acid, non-essential amino acid, 3D structure determining amino acid. Contact amino acid fit with substrate, it determines the specificity of enzyme. The catalytic amino acid is the amino acid which act on substrate or which take parts in the process of enzyme activity. And the 3D structure determining amino acids are the amino acids which maintain 3D structure of protein. As you can see in this diagram, this is enzyme and this is the substrate. Always remember, substrate is always smaller in size than the enzyme. You can see active site of an enzyme. In this you can see contact amino acid which binds to the substrate, the catalytic amino acid denoted by the zigzag lines, and the non-essential amino acid and the amino acid which maintain the stability. Substrate binds to amino acid by weak covalent bonds. Commonly found amino acids at the active sites are serine, aspartate, histidine, cysteine, lysine, arginine, glutamate, and tyrosine, among which serine is the profoundly found amino acid. Enzymes are specific due to the active site. It is the main or the only site of an enzyme activity. Substrate binds to the enzyme at active site to form enzyme substrate complex. Then the product release and then enzyme is free to combine with more substrate to repeat action. As you can see in this diagram, it is the active site of enzyme and this is substrate. When it comes in contact with the substrate, substrate binds to enzyme and form enzyme substrate complex. And after forming enzyme substrate complex, it starts catalysis process and form enzyme product complex. After the completion of process, the enzyme and the products got separated and enzyme is free to bind the next substrate.